2012 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, cruise control, keyless entry, floor mats, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, bucket seats. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.